Heidi Gardner, born 1983, current American comedian and future cast member on Saturday Night Live. Maya Rudolph, born 1972, acclaimed American comedic actress and Saturday Night Live alum. Donnie Yen, born 1963, Hong Kong martial arts superstar, famous for the Ip Man film franchise. Nikolai Coster-Waldau, born 1970, Danish actor, universally recognized for playing Jaime Lannister on HBO's Game of Thrones. Kriti Shannon, born 1990, a major Bollywood actress and recipient of a National Film Award. Taylor Schilling, born 1984, American actress who starred as Piper Chapman in Netflix Orange is the New Black. Jonathan Rhys Meyers, born 1977, Irish Golden Globe winning actor known for The Tudors and Match Point. Alex Rodriguez, born 1975, former MLB icon, 14-time All-Star and 3-time American League MVP. Triple H, born 1969, legendary 14-time WWE World Champion and current Chief Content Officer of WWE. Jordan Spieth, born 1993, American professional golfer and 3-time major championship winner. Max Scherzer, born 1984, dominant MLB pitcher and 3-time Cy Young Award winner. Alan Border, born 1955, Australian Cricket Hall of Fame batsman and long-time national captain. Peg Fleming, born 1948, American figure skater who captured Olympic gold in 1968. Winnie Harlow, born 1994, Canadian fashion model and prominent public spokesperson on Vitiligo. Hweening Bahi, born 2004, South Korean singer and member of the K-pop girl group KEP1ER. Tory Lanez, born 1992, Canadian rapper and R&B singer-songwriter. Pete Yorn, born 1974, American alternative rock singer-songwriter. Ludovico Sforza, 1452 to 1508, historical Duke of Milan who famously commissioned Leonardo da Vinci to paint the Last Supper. Demis Hassabis, born 1976, British AI researcher, co-founder of Google DeepMind and winner of the 2024 Nobel Prize of Chemistry. Norman Lear, 1922 to 2023, legendary American television writer and producer behind hits like All in the Family.